Hi ladies, it's Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of a backpack that I ordered off of the Minkoff website. And I wasn't planning on filming this today. In fact, it's house cleaning day today. So I've just been cleaning the whole downstairs of my house and I'm pretty sweaty, but I came up here and threw on a nice top so that I could film this for you. But my hair was a little wild. I had to pin it up, and so this isn't a beauty video. Anyway, I'm just gonna be showing you a handbag. So I wasn't gonna film it because I didn't know it was coming today, but it did come. And I do wanna mention that with Minkoff, the shipping is usually pretty quick. However, a subscriber or friend of mine did order a handbag off of Minkoff, and it took a really long time for it to be delivered. And she was reaching out to me and asking, have I had that experience? And so on. But that was a few months ago when COVID-19 and we were all quarantining and businesses were kind of on hold for a while. So I think that was the culprit. I never had that experience before. Everything comes really quickly. So I've got the box here and I haven't seen what's in it. So that's why I'm filming this right now, because I didn't want to wait until tomorrow. I'm really anxious to see what's in it. And I didn't know if I actually wanted to keep this handbag or not. I don't have a backpack currently. The only backpacks I have are a little bit industrial, and they're not like nice backpacks to carry when you want to look nice. So I was really tempted by this one on the Minkoff website. And so I went ahead and ordered it, and I thought that I would unbox it and then decide if I'm going to keep it or not. But at least I'll unbox it so you can all see what it looks like in real life, or you know, on YouTube. Because on the website there's only a few pictures, and there isn't even a picture of a model holding it to get an idea of how it would hang on a person, you know, a real person. So anyway, let's open it. Okay. The box was really easy to open, and it's in here wrapped in some tissue. And here it is. And I've got a little sheet of paper here from Minkoff. And it just explains to you how to return it and so on if there's any problems with it, and my receipt on the back. So I've got that, and I have ordered several bags from Minkoff in the past. It's one of my favorite handbag brands. They hold up very well, and I often sell my bags when I'm done with them, and I usually can get a decent amount of money for Minkoff. They're kind of like on par with Coach, let's see, Michael Kors, Dooney and Burke. Not quite as expensive as Tory Burch, but the quality is every bit as good. So anyways, it's got a lot of stuff on it. So let me take a moment to just cut all of this off, and I will be right back. So I have it unwrapped. It was really wrapped well. Every single thing was wrapped, and I cut all the wrapping off very carefully. And here is what the bag looks like. This is the Edie backpack in cool tan, and the dimensions of this bag are 11 inches from top to bottom, 8 inches across, and approximately 3 to 5 inches in width. I think I read it was 5, but it gets more narrow as it goes up. So this is the cool tan. It also comes in black, which is really beautiful as well. And I think the black has that black gunmetal hardware on it, which is really pretty on the black. This one has gold hardware, and like I said, it's cool tan, and it's got a chain here and adjustable straps on the back. And let me just see how it fits on my back without any adjustment. I'd be wearing it with a winter coat, so this is probably pretty good. I am almost 5'8", so this is how it would hang on me. A lot of times when I carry a backpack, I just put the straps together and carry it more like a sling. So that's how that would look. And then it does have this little handle on the top if you just want to carry it by the handle on the top. So it does have adjustable straps, and it does look like there's a lot of options. You can adjust it quite a bit, but I'm pretty tall, and where it's at right now, you can adjust it smaller. There's 2 spaces smaller, and then there's quite 2 spaces larger. So it's right in the middle. And this is a good size pocket in the back for a cell phone, which I think is really nice. So if you were in the city or on a train or something like that, your cell phone could be protected behind you. It opens is it has a zipper, a dual zipper here, and you open it like this. And then it's got this pretty open space on the inside and 1 zip pocket. Let's see how deep that is. It's the whole length of the bag, so I can get my whole entire hand into that zip pouch here. And the lining is taupe, and it's sturdy. It feels like a canvas lining. The leather feels thick. It is all leather, and it feels very thick, and it's in their chevron pattern. It looks like there's quite a bit of space in there. After I move in, I can show you what's in it if you'd like to see, so you can see how much it actually holds. Another thing I really like about Rebecca Minkoff handbags is that, well, a couple of things. I like the detail, the little pieces of leather kind of hanging here, but a lot of their bags have these little buckles, and that looks like that would be cumbersome. You know, if every time I wanted to get into this pocket, I would have to undo that. But these are just decoration. There's actually a magnet. I have a tote bag that has the same thing, and I really like that tote bag a lot, and I think it's a pretty detail, but you don't ever have to open it. It's just there for decoration. And then this is just a little pouch. I guess you could fit your cell phone in here if you wanted, some lip gloss, some essentials that you want to have easy access to. Now, again, if you were someplace where you want everything to be safe, whenever I think of a backpack, I think this is what I would use if I were heading into the city where I need to have things close to me and protected. I wouldn't put anything of value in this front pouch right here. I would put it in here where you really have to go through some effort to unzip it. And then you can actually do the additional step of putting it in that big zipper pocket on the inside. So nobody can pickpocket you, if that makes sense. But I do like this here for lip gloss, your keys, you know, for on the daily, if you're not keeping it super protected, like driving around my neighborhood and going through drive-thrus and things like that. That's where I would keep those kinds of things. It does come with this nice dust cover that is put inside the bag, so when you unwrap your bag, you'll find this on the inside, and it's just a good size, nice soft dust cover. And I always keep my bags stored in my closet with some stuffing inside of them and in their original dust bags. That way they stay really nice when I'm not using them. So it's a nice dust bag, and I definitely will be using this. So yeah, this is the whole bag. I think it's really pretty, and I do think that I'm going to keep it. I think it's a really pretty backpack, and it will match all of my winter coats, you know, so if I change my coat, it will match whatever I'm wearing. So it does come in the black too, and it retails for $298, but Rebecca Minkoff always has sales going on. So I purchased mine with a sale. I got a 15% off, and then I got an additional 20% off of that. So I took advantage of the sale, and that's when I purchased mine. And I think it's really pretty, and it's going to be a birthday gift. So my mom always asks me what I want for my birthday, and then I tell her and I purchase it, and then she pays me. So I think this is what I'm going to get for my birthday from my mom. So I think I'm going to keep it. So if you'd like to see what I keep inside of it and what all fits inside of it, I'll do a what's in my handbag soon with this bag. And I hope you enjoyed this little review of the Rebecca Minkoff Edie backpack and cool tan. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like on your way out, and please subscribe to my channel and leave any questions or comments below. I love interacting with you, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. I'll see you next time.